That's him and the tron him in my house asleep. Me and my man. You understand? In my house asleep. You know? So me know him coming at my house, come take up my car key. You know, I sleep me then I take up my car key. You understand? Take my car key, gonna party, gonna Queens for big pussy candy, bring candy in my car. I want to know all candy them not have no pride of blood clot. Candy strip naked in front of the boy, I show the boy pussy. Why them not have no pride of them a girl? Eh? Take up my car, my love, and go lick my blood clot car. Eh? Take up my blood clot car and go lick my car. Me lock up in blood clot. Yeah. And me go past Sasha. Undercover Batman Jordan, you eat up just a battle from back when a blood clot can you can't stand up a beer, eat battle and jerk off. See me? Undercover Batman. See her here. Yeah, see her here. See her in her gay pride color. Jordan blood clot. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Get me my other phone there. Go for my other phone for me, sweetheart. Get me my other phone. Yeah. Gonna show you what I made of. I say me no want to say nothing for my car off a Chris. My car off a Chris. If it over big pussy Kelsey yard, so Kelsey I make you know, I go over Kimali yard with baby class stone, my love, come have me right, my love, candy have to put towards my car for my car fix, but me no want a dent and a scratch for my car, cause I know truly lick my car a blood clot. Candy come and tell Phoebe so she never know say my car, and Trey tell me say Candy put him out of the house 5 o'clock in the morning. But Candy put him out of the house 5 o'clock in the 6 o'clock in the morning, my love, and say put him out 6 o'clock in the morning and say she don't trust him. She don't trust him, my love, because me and him par. Trey don't know them. Trey in the house asleep, and Jordan come in my house, come take up my car key and tell Trey think a woman. Trey jump up, you understand, cause Trey hear about woman. You understand me no says a man, Jordan no says a man. You understand? Yeah. Take up my key, my love. Candy, pick up my Candy gone in my car. Oh, stinking Candy reaching on my blood clot. Yeah, raw pussy Candy. Oh, raw pussy Candy reaching on my blood clot. Problem, she knows me don't like her no teeth friend. She know me don't like her dirty no teeth friend Kimali. And that make me a go for a yard no blood clot with be a backlash stone coming like them a car off fix. Me no want to see no dent pa my car off fix. Affy. Me not ask Christ, I'm not question Jesus. Go for the pink support this from me glad. Me make my report na blood clot. Yeah. Me glad me make my report na blood clot. Me glad me well want go over there. Coming like them. Me well want go over there. Me car off a fix. If you don't want a drama fix me car. If you don't want a drama fix back success. Candy. Sasha, the money we ever see for Jordan. Sasha, the money we ever see for Jordan. Me get it. You understand? You don't want a problem. Fix success. You don't want a problem. Fix success. I'm a sweep on marine life. Me I come with full force. Because my glad some report it saying stole my car. I'm gonna have my paperwork, the blood cut. I'm gonna give them every address where I know him go. From over Candy Yard to upper X Street to over Brooklyn to over Brookfoot Park. Yeah, me give every blood clot address, every piece of address, my love. So anytime I pop up, my love, me I go just hear same day. I'm gonna just go there for my car friend, be a buckle and big stone. And keep it moving. My car after fix me go bring down on the apartment. Me I go bring it down. Me I go bring it down. Me I go bring it up. After me mention their name. They in my argument. They in my argument. They in my argument. Me I go bring down Kimali apartment. Me go bring it down if Candy and make me get my money for fix back my car. Yeah. No, my car no blood clot and I got talk about she never know a blood clot. I should put out Trace 6 o'clock in the morning and I tell Trace say she not trust me. You're mad no blood clot success after fix. True, let me see the address them in your phone. Address them I'm saying the other night. Make a ball out them blood clot. Make a ball out them blood clot because I couldn't believe myself I have them. It's like I couldn't believe myself my blood clot have them. It's like I couldn't believe myself my blood clot have them. (1406) HICKS Street, X Street, I said pronounce. I hope I Sasha that. I'm going to keep going. Look for Candy one. Because when the thing Trey roll him out. Fuck, that phone, yeah. I forget to start going from my other phone, you know. I'm not here type good, you know, because my things them in this, you know. Tra. I don't talk to you, my love. Me a create judgment. Me a create judgment. Animosity. Rascal. Boy. War is not too much in a foreign for success. Me don't talk to you. In my bed asleep. In my bed me there asleep. And him come in my house come take my car key. In my house me there asleep and take my house take my car key. Go QUINCY over Kimali and go pick up Candy in a BIMMA. Them say Candy go Trace Candy go sir in front of Jordon. And strip. So she got do the pussy, she strip in front of Jordon. I show Jordon the fast pussy. But true Jordon don't say the pussy raw. Yeah. True Jordon don't say the pussy raw. No, I try love woman. Jordon must go say the phone pan tray. So it's a girl that come here and jump up. Yeah. And take up my car key. Jordon come in the house, come take up the car key. That's why I feel lock up tray too. I don't want to do it, but I have to do it. I have to lock them up. Yeah. The state love me enough to pick up the matter if I try to drop it. Then the car run from them rumors. Broken them house and take up the car key. Locking up. Let me a lighter there. Pick a lighter there. Where the lighter there? Look at this if I see, baby. Different type of girl from all over the world. Mama race with danger, them the blood clot after danger keeping party and buying car Jordon class danger. So what kind of old car that danger buy? That's why I'm gonna race with danger and I'm a blood clot. Good BIMMA and a blood clot. You couldn't tell me, so them the bad man, me lick my BIMMA for spite, my love. After I'm not straight people lick it, you couldn't tell me, say the bad man, me lick my BIMMA for spite, my love. I that in my head. I that in my head, my love. Ross, I bring candy in my vehicle, if you ever know it burn me. If you ever know how it, only know me talk things, how it go. If you ever know how it burn, that's why my half bust her head, if she make me car fix back. My half bust her head. I'm glad I make my reports. I'm going to do everything. My half bust came out of candy head of my car and fix back. Yeah. I done spoke it. I done spoke it. Success after fix. And I'm here and a girl I wear a blood clot and them lick success. Yeah, success after fix. Yeah. After I know true, fuck me and cross success. For me say, alright. 2 more fuck and I calm down. Me not take all it me care. Me not take all it me care. Alex, the inside damage of the car take care on a blood clot, but outside a success scratch, I mean I want to scratch pan it. Outside of success need to go to the body shop and a blood clot. Yes. Outside of success have to go to the body shop because success never have a dent or a scratch pan it in a blood clot. Yeah. Me take time drive success because I know success is fragile. My uncle drive success fast when me a show off. Yeah. And prove a price in a foreign. Yeah. Look, take care and if my vehicle car fix back and no big old car buy up my work because she going on my car and she knows see my one. Yeah. She going on my car so Ken everybody have to jump in them colors from blood clot early shot everybody. Cause can they have to fix my car? Me and make one know. My car have to fix. I tell you that. Have to fix. Me nah ask. Have to fix. True. Batman Jordon. You in a car worries no blood clot like you can spell car. Little Jordon. Little cocky Jordon. Little cocky Jordon. Eh? Little cocky blood clot Jordon. I don't talk to you. I be a bottom you eat out cause your cocky can't stand up. Be a bottom you eat out cause your cocky can't stand up. I want to go wait down in the Snapchat no blood clot and show the people them. Sierra. I should thief all my chain. All my chain she thief. All my chain the eat batty boy thief. Yeah. Yeah, my chain the eat batty boy blood clot thief. So the suitcase them, you just short her blood clot suitcase and I tell boop. Move your blood clot. And pitch them out in the blood clot. I just pitch up the suitcase them in the blood clot. Yeah. Out of order. Oh, if you touch blood clot success. Eh? Oh, if you touch blood clot success. I don't talk to you. If me the wall look over it, me can't look over it a blood clot because my man fuck me and crash it. Yeah. And my man fuck me and crash it. Bad to bad. I'm confused who are Jordon. Jordon, one of my friends I know from Jamaica. Fucking bad man. Chimo the proof and danger them same as drive big BMW. Yeah. 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 Yeah, in a Jordon in a everybody vehicle problem. Yeah. My car have a fix. Yeah. Bad to bad. I wouldn't be about the badge of lies. I wouldn't for blood clot by me. Love sweets no blood. Of course, everybody I get it from Candy go right down. From Candy go right down. From Candy go right down as a man, I go for success in a blood clot. Yeah, as a man. Tipali, how it go? My day, I'm a friend. As a man, I go for success in a blood clot. Me I start the judgment coming now, drive success with no dent. I can't be if you look for success with no dent a blood clot because it's not me dent success and it's not the boy where I fuck my dent success or blood clot. So I don't feel like I not even mother drive me can't mash up my blood clot care when I mash up in a life na blood clot because I say alright, yeah. I know reason why me I lock up tray too. Know why me I lock up blood clot tray. Trade in my house na blood clot and see how I suffer. For own my vehicle a blood clot and I have to stand up on my foot for people and take liberty with me. And him see me in my bed asleep on my man chest in a blood clot and make Jordon come in my house, come take up my car key. Yeah. That's why me I lock him up too. Yeah. You're pretty like Tony and sing. You're pretty like Tony and sing. I go up on Sasha house one night in a blood clot. I just bust the door and walk in like a bat. My back my knife. The house empty in a blood clot. Let them know say me I come. I just go up a blood clot. Back on me ears a trade in a blood clot. My back class. I just bust the door in a blood clot. Actually, I never know say Candy in the car the night in a blood clot when me have the drive. Make me never reach over Candy, but like when I know now tomorrow time I get success, me I drive success with a dent. Go park over there in a blood clot, and I have to come out and fix it. I mean, I use this tape. Me I use this tape. Me I run up the 4th floor in a blood clot. Run up the 4th floor. Yeah. Trace the apartment big in a blood clot and him describe it to me in a blood clot. I mean no apartments in America in a blood clot. Me I appear. My car have to fix in a blood clot. Me I ask. Oh. True. You're mad. Oh no mad. Me go want it for success. I don't talk to you in a blood clot. Yeah. I'm a training thief. I'm a training thief. Can I forget about it if my car no fix? Can I forget about it if my car no fix a blood clot? Yeah. Can they know say my car she sing like it? Trey tell me everything. Trey tell me say can they put him out 5 o'clock in the morning? I say she not trust him because she know say me and him thick. Yeah. I don't talk to you, my love. I can't have to fix. I can't. What you mean by back to back? Back to back, my blow. I can't have to fix the back to back the day I hit. It have to fix back good to good. I never get my car back to back. I get it good to good. I get it back good to good. Girl, the China, everything when them broke the house gonna stay, my love, because they let me put on police statement, yeah. They broke the house and take the chain, them can stay, my love, because the chain them can blood clot, repair success mean a lot to me. I'm not drive success with no dent. I'm not drive it with no dent. I'm not have a car a month. Good, so Batman bad mind. Eh? Yeah, so you think me I go through my good insurance? Tell me now. After my broke for my insurance party. So the outada, after I go through my emergency exit one night, they come crash my car. No. Yes, they want to start my hype. Una sister, my hype, they want to conquer. I just come through my emergency exit one night and go out myself. Oh. I don't talk to you, my love. I don't talk to you, my love. Success of a probably show back no blood clot, yeah. Me have to see it in a blood clot and I know so they get touch. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. True. I don't talk to you in a blood clot. Yeah. Stitch up in a blood clot. None of them stitch up. Eh? And this big water come tell me she never know say my blood clot care. Eh? I'm almost by the bait, you know. A good thing when I like them a blood clot. I'm say me I keep going. Yeah, me I keep going and I want thing with Trey. You have to talk and know me I pitch the judgment. You know me I pitch the judgment and me I come at full force. And me I look at that and I say, officer, yes, him. Oh, yeah. But I talk to you. Yeah. But she never know say my blood clot car. She put out Trey 6 o'clock in the man and I tell Trey so she not trust him. I say me gonna lick your name can everybody feel it if I can't fix. I'm a done talk. I'm a done talk. I get Kimali no my same thing. I got call him and Sky tell me say they have blood clot Jamaica come I got call him. I say girl, I'm not call we not argument but I can't have a fix unless it I gotta reach there. Yeah, but I get to Candy in a blood clot and she tell me so she never knows say my care in a blood clot. And when I come down to the nitty-gritty, she tell me say I pay shit, she a tray man put him out car over for him 6 o'clock in the morning in a blood clot, yeah. And tell him say this, that and the third about me. Where me back, girl, what you a good boss said. For success, me not ask. Me not ask. You're mad. When I make success at earth or somebody, then back it off the fix. It off the fix. It off the fix. If me I go over the 4th floor, it off to fix. It off to fix. I'm a sweep a marine life. It off to fix. Me car off the fix. Me car off to fix. Alright. Me car no fix. Me go war with Kimali Brawling. Because I can't come in a light. Then my car have to fix. My car have to fix. And you hear me? I'm telling the people, if my car not fix, me I go over Queens over Candy Yard, and me I start a eruption, and me I war with Kimali if my car come in a light. Then my car have to fix. Alright. Don't talk. My car have to fix. Like you have to fix the blood clot. Or else me have a police report and everything. Me a galang back. Me a be a ballistic no blood clot. I don't talk. Yeah. And then me can't fix that tomorrow in the blood clot. I forget lick up at Jamaica. If I can't fix tomorrow, I forget lick up at Jamaica. If I can't fix tomorrow, I forget lick up all blood clot. If I can't fix tomorrow, I forget lick up at Jamaica. You must forget lick up at Jamaica for my car. Me don't talk. Yeah, I forget lick up at Jamaica for my car. Lick up, good lick up. Good lick up. Good lick up. Yeah. I don't talk. My car have a fix. Success have a fix. I don't talk. Yeah. Just like that. Na. Any payment, keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. If you pay me, keep it on the low. Oh, baby. No, I have to fix it true. I tap me attack. I don't think I tap me attack. I can't have to fix. I don't tap me attack. Say it have to fix. It have to fix. I tell me, I tell me, if not, but maybe, have to fix. Yeah, have to. It have to.